Guess who was the first person to play peekaboo with the stars? You got it. It was a super brainy dude from the 17th century. Say hello to Galileo Galilei, the first superstar to use a telescope as a sky-gazing gadget. Yep, it was Galileo Galilei, a curious cat who loved stargazing so much that transformed the way we look at the universe. Imagine that, just by playing with a telescope, he became a forever star in our cosmic storybook. Guess what? Galileo didn't invent the telescope, but he made it super duper better. Imagine having a toy that could make things look 3 times bigger. Now imagine Galileo taking that toy and turning it into a super gadget that could make things look 20 times bigger. Whoa, it was like he had superhero eyes that could see right up to the twinkly stars. He could spot stars, planets, and lots of other space stuff like no one had ever seen before. Thanks to his super cool gadget, Galileo made a ton of awesome discoveries that blew our minds about space. So next time you look up at the stars, remember how Galileo's telescope took us on a wild ride to a world full of celestial wonders. Galileo, armed with his super cool stargazing gadget, uncovered some crazy cosmic secrets that turned the world upside down. He found out that Jupiter has its own gang of moons, just like our very own Earth. This was a mind-boggling idea, since everyone believed that the whole universe had an Earth address. And guess what? He peeped at Venus, our next-door planetary neighbor, and saw it going through mood swings just like our moon, which suggested that it was hanging out around Sun, not Earth. And when he took a closer look at our moon, Galileo's stargazing gadget showed it to be a funky place with bumps and holes, not the smooth, perfect ball we all thought it was. This all blew the socks off the old idea that Earth was the big boss of the universe. Galileo's crazy cosmic discoveries pumped up a big change in how we think about our small spot in the massive universe. Galileo wasn't just a cool guy with a fancy telescope. He was a super-duper scientist who showed us how to poke and prod at the mysteries of the world around us. His work was like changing the rules of the game, from old-school guessing to high-tech experimenting. It was a mega makeover that made him the daddy cool of modern science. It's like he had the superpower of curiosity, which helped him quench his never-ending thirst for knowledge, just like how we can't get enough of candy. His story reminds us that the universe is like a giant treasure chest, packed with secrets waiting to be dug up by little adventurers like us.